bless you all for tuning in on this week's episode. I mean, we're on it again, guys. We are on it again. Another week, fresh opportunities. And we're back into the markets. Right now, we're currently buying USD card. I mean, again, what else do you want me to buy? Call me USD card bandit. But yeah, we're in the buys on USD card, guys, and let me just quickly show you guys what's making me buy USD card today. This one is kind of like a skeptical one because I didn't want to use this high, but at the same time the high was solid. So let's see. Let me just quickly take you guys to the laptop and show you guys why I'm buying USD card. So this is USD card, the 15-minute time frame. Apparently, I was looking for a retest around this high because I wanted to preserve my capital the best way I can. But guys, this high also was a high from the 1 hour, and I couldn't disregard the high no matter how much I try. So apparently what I just had to do was trust my process and trust my analysis and basically just manage my risk around the trade and take the trade. So yeah, as soon as I saw it close above the candlestick, I had to get in. Stops just below London lows, targeting 1:2. Let's see how this trade plays out, guys. I will definitely keep you guys updated how this trade plays out. What's going on, yo? So it's already 12 o'clock p.m. US time, and you guys already know the drill. It's part of the rules. Took out 50% partials from one of the running position, and price is pretty much going in our favor. I mean, that just gets to show you guys trust in your analysis. Even when it went down Jordan, I knew that the Jordan was coming, but it was part of the play. So it is what it is. We are out here chilling and waiting on the position. I'll definitely keep you guys updated if this position hits take profit or stop loss. But around 15 minutes before the end of the daily candlestick, we are going to be taking out the remaining 50% partial. So stay tuned. I'm going to be making some decisions later on tonight before we hold the position overnight. So yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Alright, how is it going, guys? So today is a new day and I'm about to sit down right now and start looking for entry. But I just thought that I should update you all on yesterday's trade. So you guys know the drill. 15 minutes before the end of the daily candlestick, I had to take out the remaining 50% partials. So now it's remaining one position that is like running, and I've already like analyzed. You guys, I used to analyze around 11 and then go to BAF, and then around 12 I'll sit down and start looking for entry. So when I was analyzing, I saw that price was really close to take profit, like one pip be 2 pips away. I've forgotten, so I broke even. So the trade now is on break even, and I think it's currently reversing. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated how this one plays out. So let's see if it reverses and hits my break even. I will be pained, but it is what it is. What's good, John? Today is Wednesday, and we just got a re-entry for USD card right now. And guys, I entered the same position but two different lot sizes because I used to split my position into two. So both of them are not sharing the same stop loss, and I will show you guys why they're not sharing the same stop loss. Well, yesterday's position, the stop loss now is also in profit. So let's see how this trade actually plays out. Let's see. Let me just quickly take you guys to the laptop and show you guys why I'm actually buying. Here's the card. Here's the card band. Here's the card, the 15-minute time frame. Apparently, I was looking for a retest around the previous day's high, but price didn't get back there. So price formed a new high in session for me because it was basically trending when I came into the market to analyze. And since this candlestick formed a three candlestick formation for me, that is a bullish, a bearish, and then this last bullish that came didn't come to take out this high, making here a B plus setup type of high for me. So immediately I saw a break above on the 15-minute time frame, I got in. Guys, I have these two positions running here because one position the stop loss is around here, the other one the stop loss is around here. Yes, I am very, very sure that, okay, let me don't use the word sure, this is trading. It is most likely that price wouldn't get here because once it gets here, I agree to be wrong. But at the same time, I don't think price will want to invalidate here because it has used here to form a double bottom. So, of course, guys, I'll definitely keep you guys updated how this trade plays out.
Guys, I think I might have just shot myself on the leg. But on first of yesterday's position, we hit take profits on that one. That one we hit take profit a long time ago. And today's position, I took out 50% partials from one of the running position around 12 o'clock p.m. US time and reduced the stop loss on the other one. Remember, I even entered position and had two stop loss. I don't know what was doing right from the start. Looks like I was trying to like hit take profits quicker this time around. I'm sorry about background noise. I didn't bring my mic outside. I'm out of my trading. When I stop trading, I just leave all of those stuff inside. So pardon me, guys. Yeah, I reduced the position on the other ones, and price pretty much came to take us out, and it's pretty much reversing right now. So yeah, I might have shot myself on the leg with managing my trade aggressively like that. But lesson learned to come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is CPI, so maybe after CPI we'll start looking for entry. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. That officially brings us to the end of this week's episode, guys. So apparently, before I even start saying anything, let me put my P&L for this week. Have you guys seen it? But I mean, a profitable week, but more or less like a break-even week for me based on my system. Because obviously it was just one position that I entered on Tuesday that hit take profit. Remember, guys, I used to like split my risk. That's if I want to risk $50, I'll be risking 25, 25, so that I can manage the trade and manage my position well. And as time is going, I'll be reducing my risk on that trade. For me, a winning trade is if I'm able to come out in lesser loss than I intended to risk for that day. So yeah, Tuesday's trade hit take profit, and Wednesday's trade I kind of managed that trade aggressively. Why? Because I was trying to chase price hitting my profit target on time. That it made me take one unnecessary stop loss placement. That is, I placed the same trade, but they had two different stop loss. I don't know who does that. And I was calling it intuition. I mean, if price wanted to keep advancing, it wouldn't have come to take that stop loss. I mean, it's still in the market. It might have, it might not. But at the same time, I shouldn't have done that. I should have placed my stop loss where my stop loss placement was supposed to be. And if I had done that, even though price later went to stop loss, I would be coming out with a much lesser loss than I intended on coming out. But that's the lesson we learned for this week. That's the lesson we learned for this week. We will not chase price. It's now take profit on time next week. We'll just make sure we trade accordingly. But I mean, if you guys are liking this series and episode, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button now. Like, take a minute, hit that like and subscribe button. And also, there's something that also happened this week. Most of you guys think it's just one prop account and I'm trading. I don't know if that's what many traders does, but I like splitting my risk. Trade a prop account, trade a life account, trade other prop accounts. But in this case, I just have a nairatrader account and I've withdrew this week. And I also have another withdrawal pending for next week. So that's just the update on my trading career, on how my trade has been going, my journey so far. This is documenting my journey. And if you guys like the journey, make sure you tag along. And I'll definitely see you guys next week episode. Bye for now, guys. Peace out.